It's the time when you cross your fingers. Let's do it. Ready? Throw the quadcopter in the truck, and what's up and good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today we are running over to the Yacht Club project. Many of you guys have followed this from some of my earlier videos. Today's gonna be a little bit of a good update on that, as well as we got a much bigger day planned after that. Say what's up, buddy.
What's up, world?
So everybody remembers Dave here. So if you guys know me, you know I'm old school, right? I mean, you know, I'm pretty old school.
He's kind of an old guy.
But when it comes to doing shit work-wise, you know, I'm a big fan of new technology making shit easier. Now, Dave, on the other hand, he's old school when it comes to a lot of work and things. He's been fighting this cordless revolution that I've been trying to push on him with all cordless tools. Now, that being said, I did get a call this morning from this guy saying, hey, you know that fancy quadcopter you got? That would come really in handy today at work. So, Dave, are we finally accepting new technology as the way?
Depends on the technology.
Fair.
Let's see if it works.
All right, let's do it. So anyways, you guys remember the old Yacht Club project here? If you guys remember when we were just drilling the holes for those, really. So now the brackets are up there, they're installed, and let's just take them inside. All right, so if you guys want to go back to one of my older videos, you'll see, I guess, do we have the model here? No, we don't have the model here to show you exactly what these shade structures are going to be, but essentially they're going to be giant columns in each one of these holes here, which are all the footings for it. So right now we have the templates in, right, which essentially is going to put the bolts in the exact spot that once we pour the concrete, it's going to grab the bolts, lock them in place, and create a giant anchor where we're going to remove the plates. Set the 16-foot columns on the bolts, bolt it down, and then we will have this beautiful tall shade structure, which are going to run steel cables that are going to connect to the building over there. So today, Dave, why'd you call me out here, buddy?
Well, so when we're doing something like this, like really the entire sculpture is in this moment where we set these templates on account of when we crane in each sculpture, we're kind of stuck with this placement. So typically I like to get up high to take a look and just kind of make sure that everything's straight and square and even with what we want.
In case you guys are wondering what this building is,
we're breaking new ground here with Port Property, and we're introducing this sculpture is kind of integrally part of this tasting room. No, but right now we just have we're left with an artist.
Sweet. This place came to life pretty quick.
It's looking pretty close.
All right, so that was a nice quick little morning with Dave. Got everything ready. Concrete's getting poured here tomorrow, so we wanted to make sure everything was nice and straight and square to the building, and you know what better way than with a little bit of eye in the sky. So I got a call from Eddie a minute ago saying, bro, you gotta come up here. I just picked up something for free that I think you are really gonna want to see. So we're about to fire the truck up and head on up to Eddie's house. So just pulled up to Eddie's, and you know, Eddie told me he's got the deal of I wouldn't say lifetime.
I would say lifetime.
Maybe, I haven't seen it yet, so maybe it's the deal of a lifetime, but he also failed to mention that, hey, you got a hitch on your truck, right? Let's use your truck to go pull and tow this thing back over here.
I think the guy's house has got dirt. So.
Oh shit! I was literally about to give you credit because I always say Eddie doesn't use his trucks, but he does tow with his truck, so I do give him credit for that. But now you just lost all credibility.
Well, I mean, I towed to the desert. I don't want to go get this tractor. I mean, who knows what the guy's house looks like? If we got to go in mud or sand or.
So Eddie calls me and says, bro, I found this offer on a free diesel tractor. Like, you want to go pick it up, or do you want to go see it? You want to go get it? Whatever.
One problem.
What?
This is worrying me too.
What?
It's a Ford.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Hold on.
So,
wait.
All right.
Is it older than a 97?
Yeah.
Well, Ford made good shit back then.
I was gonna say yeah. The Ford did okay back then.
Anything 97 and older, I'm okay with Ford-wise. It's a free tractor.
It's free. They call it Old Blue.
Now, is this like yard art, or is this thing actually gonna run?
Oh no! I actually need to break a mountain or cut a mountain, or that's what you're gonna do next. I haven't told you, but
okay.
Yeah, you're gonna get on it and you're gonna try it out over here. So
I really hope does this thing run? It's a free track. Does it run?
He said kinda.
Oh God.
So, you know,
fuck
I mean, I don't know what kind of. I said, okay, we'll go check it out.
Yeah, all right. Well, we're totally gonna get some work done. All right, let's go see what kind of mess Eddie got us into. So Eddie took us out in the middle of nowhere. Other than actually, there are a few nice houses out
There's
here.
a couple houses out.
But it literally took us like over this mountain pass and we dropped down in. No clue there's any houses out here. I think we found it. Is that it, Eddie? Right there? That's pretty nice.
He said it was blue.
That thing will fire right on up. I think we get that thing running.
Probably.
Or I'm gonna guess, being that it is blue, it looks like it might be that bad boy right there.
Okay, well wait. I got a question. If that thing doesn't run, how am I supposed to get that home?
Eddie, if it doesn't run, I don't think we want it.
Well, yeah, that's true. He said it kind of runs. So maybe it doesn't run for a long time.
Hey, as long as it gets on the trailer, we'll get it to your house.
Yeah, we'll see what happens.
If it doesn't run after that, it's a good thing it's at your house and not my house. The property's actually pretty badass. This thing's huge, goes way back up in there. This is no wonder this guy's giving this thing away for free. Probably doesn't want the piece of shit. This dude's clearly got money. I mean, look at it, just his motorhome garage. Looks like a nice barn. And a toy hauler, because you might as well have a toy hauler with your motorhome. So we just got done dealing with the old man over there. They're not too keen to being on camera, so you know, we're gonna handle things from here, but nice enough to let us borrow the trailer to get this thing home. What do you think, Eddie? How's she look to you?
I mean, she looks good. I did a quick little look over. Doesn't look really too bad. It's a little dirty, a little old.
So we're going to pull the trailer out here, and then the old man says it'll fire. So we're gonna pull it out and see if we can get her fired up. Otherwise, it's gonna be. Oh, hold on, dude. If it doesn't work, we can just use this big old, hefty winch here. What is this thing? This thing's got to be like a 500-pounder.
I was thinking at least 6.
So where did the old man say those straps were?
He said, "Go in my barn and head upstairs." Old man didn't really like the camera. I guess.
Just seen him looking at my Apple Watch.
Yeah.
I wonder what kind of shit these kids do nowadays.
Yeah.
Well, let me carry these chairs. I'm gonna carry these chairs up for him. They were in the trailer.
He said, "You need straps, son?" I said, "Yes, I do, sir." Head in my barn. Go upstairs. You're gonna see a big bucket with straps in it. Go grab what you need. I said, "Yes, sir."
It's kind of like that, but he's Mexican. So, so a little different accent, but Eddie's close. Eddie's close. But let's go see what's going on here in the barn. Oh, what do we have here? Woo!
F-250 right here.
This thing's pretty sexy. You know, most people will come in here and they'd be like amazed.
Yeah.
No, this thing's beautiful. See, this is what I'm talking about right year Fords. This is when Ford made a good truck. This thing's pristine. Woo! Look at that, even the interior. Little steak bed. Action going on. That's a nice truck.
Not bad, not bad.
So he gave us a tractor. How do we throw that in on the deal? Do you think he'll give us
I
that?
don't know. We could ask him to see.
I mean, it seems like he's getting rid of blue Fords.
Everything blue, yeah. So I don't want the Monaco.
We don't need the. I just want the truck. Man, it's got a gantry crane in this thing.
Yeah.
That's badass. All right, guys. So if I go off the grid and you never find me again, it's because I moved in here. This is badass. I don't get that impressed very often anymore. This place impresses me. I don't know, man. This thing doesn't look that bad, Eddie. I think bug's kind of cool. This is a lot nicer than yard art. That's for sure.
Should we start it?
We should try.
I'm not sure. I think this is probably gonna have to go.
Nah, dude, man, come on. That's your style right there.
Okay.
Looks good. All right, buddy. Let's
So it's a 4-speed.
4-speed New Holland Ford.
Clutch it.
Does it work? Just don't put it in the back of my truck. Whatever happens, if it starts.
Alright. Cold start. Okay. Guess you gotta wait for the wall plug over here.
This is the time when you cross your fingers.
He told me this is all the direction I got. Push the clutch in, turn the key, flip the momentary toggle switch. Have a good day, sir. Is it okay?
We probably shouldn't have hooked up the trailer until we made sure it ran.
Shit.
Because I think now we're kind of stuck with taking it.
You gotta
I think he's got a forklift over there too.
Yeah. I saw that. I saw he had a forklift and he had a couple other tractors on the other side.
This is the life, guys. This is the life. Sweet little Ford right here. probably gonna end up looking like the one we just saw in there.
Here we go.
And apparently we're taking some crap off his hands because he don't want it. All right, hit it, Eddie. Let's do it. Ready?
Oh, and it rolls cold.
Might have missed it. I think it sounds pretty damn good. The idles, no problem. I think it.
I'm assuming that's what the handle is for.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, Eddie, I'll give you credit now. Might have been the deal of a lifetime.
Yeah.
Hold on. How do we make the boom arms go up with the bucket?
That's why I brought you. So I'm assuming something right here.
Well, you know, I come from the land of when joysticks were invented prior to all manual controlled tractors, but I think we can figure this out.
Oh. Watch yourself.
This thing actually sounds really good. I think we might have just won the lottery of old tractor finds.
Okay, put this down. Or no, bucket.
Dude, everything. Yeah. Oh yeah. All right, now does it go? That's probably the most important thing.
All right.
Hey man, you'd make a good farmer, Eddie.
You know, I used to be on the Farmers Only commercial. You probably saw me.
All right, whatever you do, don't go over into the bed of my truck, okay? Come to me a little bit. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's something bad boy.
Oh man, so he's got a trailer hitch too? Eddie, man, you might just have to sell your truck.
What they say? Another man's treasure is another man, or another man.
Well, one man's trash
There you go.
is another man's treasure.
There you go.
Hey man, what do you think? We ought to start a farm now?
I think I'm gonna start farming. I think, you know what? I think I'm gonna get into construction.
Easy guy.
I mean,
All right, yeah, well, there's.
I got a tractor, dude.
Yeah, well, I will give you that. You do got a tractor now. So let's see. It looks like we got about 30 minutes of daylight left, Eddie.
No. We got more.
You know, back from my farming days, I believe we call this burning daylight, son.
You know.
Put a little giddy up in your step, and your tie-down method scares me. Not gonna lie. What the fuck
This is my first time tying a tractor down, dude.
What is this, dude?
Okay.
What is this? Here, let me help. At least wrap it.
You're the construction guy.
At least wrap it. The roads coming in here are like super steep and narrow, so we'll see. We'll see if our free tractor makes it home.
So just to get an idea, guys, of the road conditions, leaving this guy's house now.
But check out the view. It's got a pretty look at that. $1 million view right there. All right, so we made it. We still have a free tractor on the trailer. It's gonna be a good day, or actually the day's kind of over. But that being said, I think we can. He's got some good piles of dirt over here. We'll go play around with this thing, see if she's actually workable.
Put Ryan to the test. See what Ryan's really made of. See
Oh
if he's
shit!
Actually, you know, Mr. Construction.
So this is the tractor my grandpappy ran back on his farm. You know, for you guys that say I never tow or any of that, the old Denali tows pretty nicely, even in stock form.
Doesn't even squat either.
Nope, look at that. It almost sits level. A little heavy. Trailer's practically on the ground. You don't even need ramps.
Watch out! Farmers only, man. Farmers only.
Eddie's giving it a little go, seeing if she's actually got some strength. Seems like everything's working out well. The hydraulic lines are holding. What do you think, buddy? It's got some power to it?
Give it a shot here.
Eddie thinks he's ready to start his own construction company now.
I'm ready, dude. I think look. I moved that dirt a little bit, put it on the top.
Hey, it looks
Level.
beautiful.
It's code. Don't think it's code.
Hey,
we'll get the laser. Yeah.
So Eddie's complaining because he can't see in front of the bucket.
I'm supposed to know when it's straight.
So
you can put a camera, like a navigation screen, and it'll show you, like, okay,
you got to go by feel, buddy. That's why you do this for a long time. You get the feel, you get the touch.
So clearly, not in this industry.
Yeah, you got fired from your own construction company.
Ryan fired me. I don't know how to use this thing, to be honest with you guys. Like I said, I'm not in the industry, so we're gonna see what this guy can do.
I just got to get my bearings. I haven't been on something this antique in a while.
Also, we forgot to mention, you guys are probably wondering, why the heck am I looking for a tractor? So, I'm getting here where I live, we don't have any natural gas. I'm on propane. So, I want to get a bigger propane tank. This is my little tiny 250 gallon propane tank. I got a 500 gallon coming in. But the company said if there's not easy access, basically they're going to charge me double pretty much to bring in a big truck if they can't, you know, just come on in and drop it. So why I'm looking for this tractor is because I got access over here, but I want it wider. Depending on how big this truck is, I want them to be able to drive right on in, come through here, and dump it. Okay? So Ryan's making this look real easy. A little preview of what Ryan did an amazing job. Made me a beautiful, I don't know, I think it was like 12 feet. Ran into a little problem.
Some may see that as an issue.
Ryan was like, dude, this thing's not turning.
I think we can limp it back up there.
We could probably get it up there.
Let's see. Well, so you know what's funny? We started off today talking about bringing new technology into the world, I guess, of construction and all that, and weirdly ended up with playing with some old technology. Couldn't plan that shit. This thing actually did really well, surprisingly well for its age. So, you know, hey, hats off to my my grandpappy and his folks. What are you doing with the fucking shit? Hands off to my my grandpappy and all those guys that you know, I'm sure before them was the shovel and they were glad they had this. So I'm glad we got what we got right now. And yeah, anyways, thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as Eddie's channel, LML Eddie. I'll put the link down in the description. Tons more video coming. Obviously the BBB build has been revealed, so that truck's gonna be going under the knife soon. And yeah, anything you want to say to the fine people, Eddie?
They're probably wondering where I have a machete in my hand, so Ryan said,
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.